The Hopkins Multi-Tow 7-way and 4-wire flat towing connector is the perfect solution for anyone needing to tow trailers with different wiring connectors from the same vehicle connector. This product is designed to replace the 7-way connector that comes with your vehicle, offering both 7RV blade and 4-wire flat towing capabilities. It's ideal for a variety of towing needs, whether you're hauling a boat, RV, or utility trailer. One of the standout features of this connector is its impact and corrosion-resistant design, making it durable enough to withstand the elements and maintain a reliable connection for years. The kit includes everything you need for a straightforward installation, including all necessary accessories and connectors. With the multi-tow system, you can conveniently tow multiple types of trailers without needing to change connectors. A customer review highlights how easy it is to install on a 2006 Chevy Avalanche. The factory plug fit perfectly, though some minor adjustments were required to fit the harness in place. The installation process was simple with basic tools, and the separate 4-point and 7-point plug openings make it easier to use for different towing setups. The weather covers provided are tight and functional, ensuring the connectors remain protected from the elements. This connector kit offers great value for its price and is an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify their towing setup. Click the link in the description to purchase the Hopkins Multi-Tow 7-way and 4-wire flat towing connector today and streamline your towing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and top quality products.